Endlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly lenkuzimala ngale kwaGrain leyo kuyiyona ikhuluma kakhulu abanokuyibiza ngo-anti. Niyayazi nani yona leyo. Iyo le bisilusela ilogo negama le-MK. Iyakhala bafethu. Ikhala lokuthi sekuze kuyazwela. Ithi lo tata usibambe ngeballs. Ithi lo tata usibambe ngeballs. Bafethu ubaba uNcamala lo babambe ngeballs ngempela ngoba uexposer ukuganga kwabo behlangene bonke ijudiciary yabo inhlangano leyo khethe echemile ida nabo bonke abakwaGrain ukuthi bakhohlakele kangakanani njengoba nibona nje abantu bebhizi befuna ukuthi baphoqe izinto ingoba vele that's how they operate but manje ubaba uyaba expose so njengamanje sinenkinga ukuthi thina as far as I know my vote is my voice and it is my right and that is what they say before we go to vote and then immediately after voting my vote is no longer my voice and it's no longer my right. Sithe masicomplaina ukuthi we've been robbed so abangaqhubeki nokudeclare ama result kwathiwa staff you ama markets are more important now and these markets are now trampling on our votes kwathiwa sathi sithi hayi ayingaqhubeki indaba yeParliament kwathiwa staff you siye eParliament because why the markets are more important now. Wherever you go, uyezwa khuluma ngama markets, collisions ama markets, and ama markets uma ngabe kunje azoba nje, uma ngabe kunje azoba nje. Kuze size sibizwa ngo-doomsday thina. Why? Because labantu laba bagangile. So inhlangano le yokhetho echemile. Ubaba useyibonisile ukuthi icheme kangakanani ngoba kunabantu abaningi abacomplainile before kumenyezela ukuthi ukhetho luhambe kanjani but bona they continued. Njengamanje sithi akungayiwa eParliament ngenxa yokuthi ayikalungiswa inkinga yethu nenhlangano yokhetho le engachemile. Laba bathini we forge forward. Bazoqhubeka bakwenza so ubaba ngawa amabhola ubaba ufuna izwe libone ukuthi mayelokho ekhuluma izinto usuke engakhulumi nje ngoba enenzondo usuke ekhuluma into eyenzakalayo ngempela and it's been happening behind doors, closed doors. Manje it's happening out in the public. Saqala ukubona kahle ngo-2021 mabembopha ukuthi hayi man labantu laba ba-operate outside the constitution kancane kancane bayavela. So manje bafowethu mina ngithi ayingakhathazeki abaqhubeke nokuzenza into zabo kodwa khona zonqanda phambili sengisho umvundla kwabaziyo ke bayazi ukuthi ngithini. Hayi Msholozi baba ayikhohlwa baba Msholozi ayikhohlwa baba. So thina bafethu nje into kumele niyazi ukuthi ama rights wethu they are not important and the sad part ukuthi we talking about 2.3 people who are complaining but the reality is that there's more than 2.3 people who are complaining. Our votes were stolen, guys. Right now they are talking about taking over KZN without us. If intando yeningi lapho we are told ukuthi thina we've got the best constitution in the land, in the whole world. The constitution the best isebenzela kuphi thina njengamanje uma ngabe ukuthi ilungelo lethu thina liyanyathelwa isebenzela kuphi bafethu. Anginagesi kumanje. So ngcono nginishiye ngihambe ngiyoyilalela.